Hi, this is Cindy with Classrooms in the Cloud, Episode 3, Collaborating with Google Drive. Click on Create in Google Drive, and you will see the 5 native productivity apps that come with Google Drive: Document, Presentation, Spreadsheet, Form, and Drawing. You can collaborate in real time in any of the 5 native apps. For example, here is a Google document that I've previously created. When I open that document and hover over the Share button, by default that document is private to only me. However, when I click on the Share button, in the Share Settings dialog box, if I click on the Change, I have several visibility options to choose from. In this example, I'm going to only share my document with specific people. Click Save. This brings you back to your Share Settings dialog box, where you can invite people to your document. You can invite individuals. You can also invite groups from your contact groups that you created. Then you can assign your viewing rights to the people that you've invited to your document. By default, they can edit your document. You can change that to can comment on your document or can view your document. And by default, this is checked so that you can notify people via email that you're sharing your document with them. You can also check to send a copy of the document to yourself and also to paste the item itself into the email. Then click Send. Once you click Send, you can see who has access to your document. From here, you still have another chance to edit the viewing rights of each owner. And when you're satisfied, click Done. Then when you're in your document, you can collaborate in real time with others who are also sharing the document with you. Up to 50 people can edit a Google document, spreadsheet, presentation, or drawing at the same time. For accountability and to be able to track changes on a shared document, you can go to File and see Revision History, or use this keyboard shortcut. The Revision History panel shows a color-coded list of all of the collaborators and the dates of the revisions that they made. So if I want to go back to the March 17th version that I created, I can click on it, and I can see that that version is much different than the March 18th version, the March 20th version, today's version, and then I can click on Today at 11:17 and see that Donald added this revision. And if necessary, you can click on any of the previous revisions and restore that version of the document. Also, you can click Show More Detailed Revisions to see a more detailed list of your revision history. I'm going to go back to the most recent revision in the document. Then I'm going to highlight the information that Donald added to the document. Click on the Comments button to open the Comments thread, or use this keyboard shortcut. And click on Comment. And then type, "Good job." Click Comment to let Donald know that I thought that was a really good idea that he added to the document that we're collaborating on. You can also click on comments to edit them, delete them, make comments on them, or mark them as resolved. If you're using the commenting feature to guide or evaluate your students, you'll receive an email notification every time a student replies to one of your comments. If you would like to turn this notification off, click on Comments, click on Notifications, and change this from All to None. And that's it for Classrooms in the Cloud, Episode 3, Collaborating with Google Drive. Thanks for watching.